Now you make an introduction. That's the cutest boy ever. Hey goats! Hey goats! Hey goats, come back! Come back! No, out. No.
You, me.
I'm sorry. Can I go outside?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Just,
Hey.
you have to make them.
Hey guys, that fart.
I'm coming after you.
I know. Hi.
See, I put their food up there. So
They follow me.
look, they follow me.
Hey goats. Hey. Look at me. Look at those eyes. Oh, that's scary. Oh, you're so sweet.
They follow whoever they like most. See? Watch this.
Oh, let's see.
We can put this on YouTube. People put movies of goats. My animal project is goats too.
Really? What do you have to talk about?
Goats.
I know, but what?
Habitat.
Food.
They're the people who use goats as their food, and yeah, predators.
I
That
see.
sort of thing.
I hate
They do that to me a lot.
They like to be
Sometimes they nip at my tan-looking shirts. They can see brown, sort of brown and that sort of color.
So the
Brown, white, and black.
yeah. So
when they see a yellowish color, they'll try to nip at it. Watch.
Sophie, I forgot their names.
Huh?
I forgot their names.
Ketchket, it's the one without the white on their stomach. And Squeaky, see he has white right there.
Squeaky.
And he has his vocal cords are sort of messed up, so he goes like, like listen to this.
Where's Cotton?
I guess they're not interested.
Oh.
Ketchket's the taller one too.
I think they want to in my camera. She wants to in my camera.
Very curious. Like my cat's curious with my mom.
You're gonna be famous.
She clicked the click button on photo booth, so she took a picture of herself. Selfie.
Is this a movie?
Yep.
Okay. Sophie, they're biting me.
They like clothes. Ew.
Go away. It hurts. What?
They won't go back in. I put all their food in there.
Just wait for Cotton to come back. Wait for Cotton to come back.
Okay.
Cotton, you put them away. Again.
That's the other one.
let's record that.
Huh?
No, never mind. Nothing.
God, I'm stuck.
Now it's my turn. Bah. Bah. Don't bite me. Ah!
Next, Cranium Revolvers. Turn.
I'm good.